Distinctive Catering, a fixture in West Michigan's event scene. They've got a reputation for delivering exceptional culinary experiences for everything from intimate gatherings to grand wedding receptions. They have become a go-to for couples and corporations alike, providing not just food, but a full suite of services, including a popular all-inclusive bar service. We've got Madeline and Kenny here today to tell us more and maybe about the latest catering trends. Welcome.
Hi, thanks for having us.
Absolutely. And congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
I mean, it's about how long have you been? Is this an anniversary for you?
Yeah, it's 2025, so we're celebrating 30 years in business as of this year.
30 years you guys have been taking care of so many different events from, as I mentioned, from the tiny to the big. What would you say in the background would be a memorable event for you? Was there a massive event or a really tiny event?
Recently this year we were able to do the Grand Rapids Magazine Best of Grand Rapids
That's
party.
a huge event.
Yeah, it was super exciting to work with everybody, and we got to meet a ton of different people in the industry and just network. It was super exciting.
So when we say that you guys will take from the smallest to the biggest, I mean, that is a massive citywide event. So you're kind of known for your versatility.
Yeah.
You know, tell us how do you make sure that each event is perfect for that person?
Yeah, so we start by sitting down with the couples and kind of hearing about their vision. We talk about budget, what they're looking for exactly, and we just try to reassure them that they don't need to make every decision right away. I think it can be overwhelming when people first look at the menu, but we just try to tell them, you know, we're here to kind of coach you through it. You can think of us almost like coaches rather than just event coordinators. We're not just here to sell you the most expensive product. We're here to, you know, make your vision become a reality.
Maddie, I love that. A coach. That's what you need. Somebody who knows the answers already, because you have so many questions. And Kenny, I'm going to bring you in here because a big selling point of this business is this standalone bar service that you offer. People might not realize that you don't have to get a full meal to get that.
Exactly. People can book just our catering services or just the bar services. And I think one thing that people really enjoy with the bar services is it's all-inclusive and it's affordable, and we can help customize anything for them.
Love it. So if I'm just having cocktails, I can have someone come out, set all that up for me, don't have to worry about it. Everybody's got a nice drink on their hands, and I didn't have to buy a full package.
Exactly.
Right? You can have just that one part of it. There's got to be trends happening, Maddie. I mean, like in catering, I mean, I see that you've brought out what looks like a cup of charcuterie.
Yeah.
I mean, what are people going for these days?
Yeah, so we've noticed these grab and go trends are kind of happening lately. The charcuterie cups have been a hit. We've only had them at a few events so far, but people seem to love them. It especially cuts down on the line for the appetizers. We did these actually at the Best of Grand Rapids party, and they were a hit. So we've seen a lot of that. We've also seen a lot of cocktail, like open house style receptions happening. And now that, you know, COVID is a couple years out, we've seen a lot of the larger weddings come back. So 150 to 200 plus people are coming back.
I'm assuming the school's getting back in session. You probably are busier around graduation party times too, right? A good company to call for that. Well, if you're already thinking about back to school, why not start planning for that? Maybe you got somebody graduating this year. When is a good time for people? How far out should they be booking this kind of stuff?
I would say to be on the safe side, maybe 12 months out if you're planning on booking a wedding for the summertime, especially because summertime is very busy. I will say that we try our best to squeeze people in no matter what. Wintertime weddings are a lot more flexible, but I would say, you know, if you're going to be on the safe side, maybe 12 months out.
Okay, so maybe even a year out. So if you're planning on that, that's what you need to do right now. Right now is a good time to call. And the number's pretty easy, 538-4384, 616-538-4384. And I'm assuming you're taking calls and booking things right now, right?
Yeah, even for this season still. So we do our best, even if it's, you know, a last minute event, we do our best to squeeze you in.
Absolutely, that last minute cocktail party I want to throw, Kenny. I'm gonna call you guys up
and
get me all the setup. You can always go to distinctivecatering.com. Help them celebrate 30 years in business as they take care of your special event. We'll be right back.